Thank you very much for my fishing channel, Tom Fishing Trip, and today is April 2nd, 2023. And it's, I guess, 6 a.m. in the morning. It was kind of chilly. It was like 11, 12 degrees. But I just wear a sweatshirt. I feel really cold. And as you can tell, the cherry blossoms are already falling, and petals of cherry blossom is on the water. And you can tell how fast the water flows from left to right. And I use a spinnerbait because there's some water current is kind of strong, so I wonder if the smallie is active, then he or she will bite. So let's see how it goes. おはようございます。今日ですね、4月の2日ということで、朝6時ぐらいですね、朝早い時間に来ています。でこのポイントね、見てもらうと分かる通り、桜の花びらが、浮いてるんですけど、かなりね、早く左から右に流れているのが分かるかと思います。で、今、スピナーベイトでね、4分の3オンスか、2分の1オンスか忘れましたけれども、結構重めのやつを、ゆっくり、巻いてきています。で、ちょっとね、朝1なんで、アクティブなね、バスがいないかなっていう形で、探っていってます。And in conclusion, I was able to get 41 bass with the lake in this place, so please stay tuned. で結論から言うとね、41センチ1キロのバスをライトリグで釣ることができましたので、ぜひね、最後までここで止めないで見ていただければなというふうに思います。来ないな。釣れねえね。釣れねえ。寒い。マジで寒い。釣り堀状態。なんか寒いんだけど。
当たったけど、お、食ってる食ってる食った。おっしゃ、食った食ったよ。でかいでかいでかいでかい。分かんなかったんだよ、食ってるか。よっしゃ、 alright こっち向かって走ってたね。食ってたけど、やりー。おー、でかいでかいでかいでかいでかい。40アップ。やっぱりいたよ、そこの流れの中。I know the fish is it, but she doesn't eat the spinnerbait for some reason. 40ちょっとぐらいか。そんな大きくないですね。It's not that big. It's just like 40 centimeters long. Go it slowly. Don't be rushed. Nothing. There's no trees here, so enjoy the fight. Oh yeah. Just tight the tension. Do not lose. I knew there's a fish here. I knew it. Whoa. You see, there's like 5 or 6 people over there, but there's none here. That's why this place is so good. Wow. She fights really strong. Come on, come on, come on. I used the 4-pound line test, so, and the water flows quite fast, so I just want to go it slowly. That's a nice bass. Yes. Nice one. Yes. Come on. Yes. Yes, beautiful, beautiful. Smallie. He swallowed. Wow. He swallowed. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Wow, so strong. So take it slowly. Yes. Yeah, look at this. He swallowed. Woo. That's a nice bass, man. It's a really nice bass. Yeah. Almost 1 kg. Just 1 kg. So just now I got a 41, I guess, 1 kg smallmouth bass with this short leader drop shot rig. This is, I guess, 3-4 gram. Really short leader. And just cast it out and let it flow a bit by bit. You just need to shake a bit here like that.